Jai Hind students. This is video lecture for class 9th history, chapter number 2. Hitler was a powerful speaker, as we know that in his speech pupils were hypnotized and just called him a person who can give him relief by everything. So his passion and his words motivate pupils. They promise to build a strong nation and undo and the injustice of the Versailles Treaty and restore the dignity of German pupils once again. In the history of Germans become once again very much powerful in the leadership of Hitler as they think so. He promised employment for those who are looking for the work. It was the huge problem of that time for the youths. A secure future for youth he will provide, and he promised to weed out all foreigners' influence and arrest all foreigners' conspiracies against Germany. So all these speeches become much more helpful and much more favorable for Hitler. Hitler diverse a new style of policies. He understood the significance of the ritual and spectacles in the mass mobilization. So Nazi had massive reliance and the public meeting to demonstrate the support for Hitler and install a sense of the unity among pupils. So first thing, in the speeches of Hitler, he always given the thought to give a bright future for the youth, and not only bright but a secure future for the youth. And he always say one thing in his speech, that he will restore the dignity of Germany, which Germany had lost in the Treaty of Versailles. And whatever injustice happened in the Versailles, he will do the situation, the condition undo. It's mean that old condition he will restore in Germany. A red band with the swastika was the symbol of the Nazi party, and Nazi salute and rituals round of the applause after the speech were all parts of the spectacles of the power had been spread. So as we see in this figure, there is a symbol of swastika is here, and this was the symbol of Nazi party. Nazi propaganda skillfully projected Hitler as a masses survivors as a someone who had arrived to deliver people from their distress. So a Messiah, people see him as a Messiah, as a representative of God, who is able to, who arrive here to deliver problem and distress of the pupils. So it is an image that captured the imagination of the pupils whose sense of a dignity and pride that had been shattered, and who were living in a time of the actuous economic and political crisis. So in between all these crises, people were seeing Hitler as a Messiah who arrived here for their relief, to come out came out them from the problems.